Hi there, friends. Welcome back. Today we're going to learn the names of the letters, the sounds of the letters, and some words that start with those sounds. Are you ready? Yes? Here we go. This is letter A. Can you say it with me? A. A is a vowel, and it can make two sounds. It's short sound. Can you say it with me? Short sound. A for apple. Can you say it with me? Apple. Good. And it's long sound. Long sound. A for alien. Alien. See, we got a cute little alien here. Now, this is letter B. B is a consonant. And B makes the B sound. Can you make it with your lips? B. B. You put your lips together and then you pop them open. B. Nice. And B is for baby. Can you say it with me? Baby. B, b, baby. Here we go. B, b, baby. This is letter C. Letter C is a consonant, and it makes the k sound. K sound. Can you feel it in your throat? As in cat. Cat. Can you say it with me? K, k, cat. Good. Once more. K, k, cat. Good. This is letter D. And letter D is a consonant. Letter D makes the D sound. D sound. See, your tongue goes to the roof of your mouth. D, d. As in dog. Can you say it with me? D, d, dog. D, d, dog. Great. Now, this is letter E. Letter E is a vowel. Letter E makes two sounds. It's short sound, short sound. E, as in exit, exit. Can you say it with me? Exit. Exit. Good. And it's a long sound. E. Can you say it with me? E as in ear. E, ear. Once more. Ear. Good. This is letter F. Letter F is a consonant and it makes the F sound. Can you do it with me? See, your teeth are on top of your lips and they let a little bit of airflow go out. As in four. 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 Good. Now this next one is letter G. Letter G is a consonant. Letter G makes the G sound. G sound. G. As in goat. G, goat. Can you say it with me? G, goat. Nice. This one is letter H. Letter H is a consonant and it makes the sound. See, I'm going to put my hand in front of my mouth because I want you to feel the air coming out. Can you do that? As in house. House. Once more. House. Good. Now this next one is letter I. Letter I is a vowel. And letter I can make two sounds. It's short sound, short sound. I, can you say it with me? I, as in itch. Itch. I, itch. Once more. I, itch. And it's long sound, long sound. I, as in icicle, icicle. 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 This next one is letter J. Can you say it with me? J. And it makes the J sound. J sound. As in jump. J, jump. J, jump. Good. Next is letter K. Letter K is a consonant. Letter K makes the K sound. As in kangaroo. Kangaroo. K, k, kangaroo. Can you say it with me? K, k, kangaroo. Good. Next we have letter L. Letter L is a consonant. And it makes the sound. Can you do it with me? Sound. As in lion. Lion. Once more. Lion. Good. Then we have letter M. Letter M is a consonant. And letter M makes the sound. Sound. Can you do it with me? With her mouth closed, her lips together. As in monkey. Monkey. Can you do it with me? Monkey. Nice. This is letter N. Letter N is a consonant. Letter N makes the sound. Can you say it with me? See, in letter N, my mouth is open. As in nose. 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 Nice. This next one is letter O. And letter O is a vowel and it can make two sounds. It's short sound, short sound. O. Can you say it with me? O. As in octopus. 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 Can you say it with me? Octopus. And letter O can also make its long sound. O. O. As in ocean. 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 Can you make the wave with your arm? ocean. Nice. Next we have letter P. Letter P is a consonant and it makes the P sound. P sound. See, my lips are pulled together first and then they're very quickly open to let all of the air out. Ready? P. P. Nice. As in pumpkin. Can you say it with me? Pumpkin. P, p, pumpkin. Once more. P, p, pumpkin. Next we have letter Q. Letter Q is also a consonant and it makes the K sound. K sound, as in queen. Queen. K, k, queen. K, k, queen. Nice. Now letter R is a consonant and it makes the R sound. Can you do it with me? R sound. And we're gonna think of a animal maybe that makes the that starts with the sound. For example, rat. A big gray rat. Can you say it with me? Rat. 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 Nice. Then we've got letter S. Letter S is a consonant and it makes the sound. Sound, as in snake. 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 Nice. Then we've got letter T. Letter T is a consonant and it makes the T sound. T sound. T sound, as in, ooh, I know this one. Tornado. 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 Good. Next we have letter U. Letter U is a vowel. A letter U can make two sounds. It's short sound, as in umbrella, umbrella, and it's long sound, U, as in unicorn, unicorn. Once more, unicorn. Then we've got letter V. Letter V is a consonant. And letter V makes the V sound. V sound. Notice how my teeth are on top of my lower lip. V. See? It tickles. It kind of tickles your lip, doesn't it? V. As in Vulture. Can you say it with me? Vulture. V. Vulture. Nice. Once more. V. Vulture. Good. Then we've got letter W. Can you say it with me? W. Nice. Letter W is a consonant. A letter W makes the W sound. W sound. Can you do it with me? W W. As in water. W, w, water. Can you do it with me? W, w, water. Nice. Then we've got letter X. Letter X, X. Letter X is a consonant. And it makes the K sound. K sound. It's kind of like two sounds in one letter. See, because we've got K, S. Can you do it with me? K, S, K, S. And now we're going to do it faster. K, S, K, S. As in mix. Mix. X, x. Mix. X, x. Good. Then we've got letter Y. Letter Y is a consonant. Although, let me tell you a secret, but that's for when you get older. It can also behave like a vowel. But that's for you for when you get older, okay? For now, we're going to focus on letter Y being a consonant. And it makes the Y sound. Y, Y, Y. As in yo-yo. Can you do it with me? Y, Y, yo-yo. Once more. Y, Y, yo-yo. Good. And this is the last letter of the alphabet. Letter Z. Can you do it with me? Z. I'm going to do it so you can make the shape on your side of the screen, okay? Z. Got it? Z. Good. Letter Z is a consonant. Letter Z makes the Z sound. Z sound. Can you do it with me? Z, Z, Z. Z, Z, Z. As in zipper. Z, Z, zipper. Z, Z, zipper. Nice. Well, friends, we just learned all of the letters of the ABCs and one tiny little secret that I told you. Do you remember? Yeah? All right, that's great. Well, I hope I'll see you again soon. But for now, this is goodbye. Bye-bye. Mwah.